Okay, guys, I'm in Piggly with. I went to Publix. So I'm gonna show y'all the deal that I did at Publix. But the pig got, when you spend 10, you're gonna get this 24 pack of Nestle Pure Water for 99 cents. So I got mine. They got their leg quarters. They did 8 cents a pound. That ain't bad though. $3.50 for this big pack. How get that? I don't know how much these chicken wings is. They ain't got no price on it. Oh my god, they done took them chicken wings up to that price, y'all. $16.99. God, them things used to be $9.99. We're gonna be eating some blood quarters. That's one here, $3.29. Let's see what else we got. I really want me some chicken wings. Ooh, these are small. That's a family pack for $11.37. They're real small. I like my chicken wings to be small like that. Look at these. So we're gonna be eat some chicken eating foods. That one don't seem like they got that much in there. This one 13. It's 13. I need to get some ground beef. I didn't even took the neck bones up. I remember you can get these packs of neck bones for like $3.50 somewhere up in there. A little small pack for $7. Oh, I miss some days. I miss some days. Let's see what else. I can get a week worth of food. I want me some pork chops, but I want the thin cut. And I know all this had thin cut. It's $9. For those food, I think I'm gonna go to all this because I can get more in there than that. That'll be thin cut. They got this thick cut for $8.96. I don't like them thick cut, man. I don't like that. Okay, they got some fresh rib tips for $7.18. That's a lot too. Fresh foot rib tips. Okay, I'm gonna get that. Freaking ground beef is best. Oh yeah. That's mine. For one for $8. So this is mainly what I needed to get, and I need to get some flour too, because I went to Publix and did that deal. Great deal, fam. Great deal on my vegetables. So I got a lot of vegetables for $5.70, I think. Here's the flour. God dog, they didn't took y'all see the price of that darn flour. What kind of nonsense? Look at that little small bag. What that little small bag? Let me see. I guess I'll get this pills there. That price. Okay, now wait a minute. I'm seeing another. Every little bit counts. Every little bit saving counts. I can get this pig off the white now, y'all. Y'all see this? Let me show you the price. $3.99. They got a 50-cent digital, $3.49. So I'm gonna get that one. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I got. I got ground beef. Got my water. Got this ribs. Got chicken. More chicken. And more chicken. So this is not 2 weeks worth of meat. Yeah, 2 weeks worth of meat. So I got everything else. And I need no seasoning. I got sugar. Alright, let's see what the damage is. Okay guys, I done made it home. So this is the deal that I did at Publix. When you spend on the frozen rewards, when you spend $30, you get a $10 digital, $10 cash back. So this what I did. You know, Publix have it where on Bird's Eye, buy one, get one free this week. So y'all need to do this deal. All of this, that's 3, 6, 9 bags of frozen vegetable, cost me $5.70. I'm going to show you on my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. I did it this morning. I paid $15.70 out of pocket, and I got back the $10 digital reward. So that shows I got all these 9 bags of vegetable for $5.70. You can see right here and right here where you sign up for the frozen rewards, put in your Publix phone number, go do this deal. But while they got it, buy one, get one free. Now I'm going to show you my next deal I did at Publix. Okay, y'all remember I was showing you that Publix ad, when you spend $30 on Smithfield, you get $10 off. I went to do this deal, but it couldn't find it on my app. So I went to customer service. I didn't know it ended yesterday. So I went to customer service because I'm looking at my receipt. I'm like, $17, that's kind of high. It's supposed to have been $7.96 for this bacon. So she went ahead. We searched and searched and searched because she said she was going to do the deal also today. Look at my receipt. Okay, y'all see my receipt? It's $17.98 out of pocket. But she went ahead and gave me my $10 back. I'm going to show you my receipt. Okay, y'all see what she credited? My $10. So actually, all this bacon I got for $7.96, fam. This is a $10 bacon. $7.96. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. Give me the thumbs up. So between the pig and the 2 deals I did at Publix, that's $60 worth of groceries. 45, $7.96, $5.70.